How to show the Bluetooth icon on the taskbar in Windows 11. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step-by-step process so that you can show Bluetooth icon on the taskbar. So let's start. First, click on Start menu. Then go to Settings. Here you see the setting option. Just click on Settings. Then in the left sidebar, you see Bluetooth and Devices option. Now click Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Then click on Devices on Bluetooth to open Bluetooth settings. Now scroll down and click on More Bluetooth Settings. If you click on More Bluetooth Settings, a pop-up will arise in front of you. Now check mark the Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Just click on it and then click Apply and then press OK. Now look at your taskbar near the clock. You should see the Bluetooth icon there. If you don't, try restarting your PC. That's it. Now you can easily access Bluetooth from your taskbar in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching.